Everything in that driveway has to get into that truck because we're about to leave tomorrow morning for Colorado to set up a base camp for probably 9-10 days to acclimate for my attempt at the Pikes Peak double. Time to get this truck loaded. What I've got going on today is, after almost 2 days of preparation, everything in that driveway has to get into that truck because we're about to leave tomorrow morning for Colorado to set up a base camp for probably 9-10 days to acclimate for my attempt at the Pikes Peak double. So this is the beginning of it. We have to get up to the mountains and kind of live there for a while. So this is what's going with us. And all of it somehow is going to get into that truck. What I've got going here's all of this gear. We're going to live pretty good. We've done this a few times and it keeps changing. Got a lot going on. We've got some bear canisters. We're in bear country. One of the most important things here is that Kodiak canvas tent. This is the cabin tent, so we not only have the really nice living quarters, we've got basically a front porch, and we also have the optional enclosure. My intention is to get all this in the truck, and then when we get to Colorado 2 days from now and set it all up, I'll show you. I'll do a walk around on the campsite and show what all this stuff does for us. That little gizzy over there is like our little kitchen cupboard setup. Of course, bed pads. Got to have a propane tank for cooking. Lots of other gear going on here. Got a table, folding table. This is our Yahishi Tech. I made a video about that. Yahishi Tech pop-up canopy. That'll be our outdoor living space. Kitchen, common ground. We're going to set up for a little while and live pretty good. Somewhere in here, well, there's the rugs, a lot of the cooking supplies and so forth. Of course, the cooler, our Coleman water, some end tables. Oh, over there is our double stall shower outhouse, which worked out really good last time we used it. These two gizzies right here are the Kodiak canvas sleeping big boy sleeping bags. Oh, they're nice. Got some other pillows and blankets and stuff in that. So here we go. What I have to do now is get all of this in here. Now, I've already got some things in here. There's my little step ladder and a few other things, my little cargo net up here. And I plan on getting it all in here. It doesn't even seem real to me. I'm gonna get all this in here and still be able to see out of that back window. These are kind of a fun thing. How about that I got lights in my truck. That's fun. What's gonna help me get it in here is the back seat's not in here. So that's been removed. And I've already got a few things. These are just a variety of bags with clothespins, guy lines, a variety of things. Got a hammock in here, some gloves, got duct tape over there, so mandatory. Of course, I've got a couple of hatchets, a shovel, pinchers, saw, drill, got some things going on. Right over here, I got what I call the people spray. I'm not afraid of the bears, but sometimes I'm afraid of the people. So we got a couple of those on board. Oh, let's get this packing going. We'll see how it all turns out in a little bit. Giving a little shout out to GFC, because the GFC camper with the sides and back that open up are really helpful to get the truck loaded like this. You don't have to shove everything up there. I can just put it in the side. Then climb up in there and organize it. Gaining on it, still packing, still can see through. Not done yet though. There it is. Everything that was in the driveway, plus a couple of extra items, are now in the truck. Really loaded up this back seat with things we won't use till we get to Colorado, because tomorrow night we're going to stop in like Walden, which is Colorado, but till we get to base camp. So the back seat has a bunch of things in it that we don't need tomorrow night, and I accomplished my mission that I can still see out the back. And here we go. The truck is loaded. I was going to say loaded for bear, which we might see, but not, we never do in Colorado. It's ready to go to head to base camp for the Pikes Peak double acclimation.